Hi, this is Rachel Bourne, and I'm filling in for Sebastian for Social Anxiety Solutions. And I want to talk to you about discovering your self-worth. So I say discover versus creating versus boosting. It's something that's already there. It's already, you're granted self-worth when you're born. And it's only through negative experiences and traumas, things that you've heard, things that you've experienced or seen or taken on as truth that just wasn't true. 3 points I want to make. Number 1, you're not alone. We all do bad things. Number 2 is stop self-sabotaging behavior. Stop beating yourself up. Stop the cycle of destruction. And the third point is bring up your skeletons, bring up this stuff in the background, and use a clearing technique like tapping that you see on this channel constantly. EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques, tapping on acupressure points to release negative emotions and healing traumas. And really, the goal would be to move towards 100% self-worth. So say on a scale of 0 to 100, think about where you are right now. Maybe 60, maybe 40, maybe 30. So the goal would be to journey towards 100%. And 100% could be possible for you. Just keep moving on that journey. Maybe one day it's up and one day it's down, but it's always progressing towards that 100%. It's not about perfection, but it's about improving the quality of your life by improving how you see yourself, because you are worthy. So this is more about removing things that aren't true versus taking on a confident persona or taking on what to say or how to act, how to move. It's more about releasing those things that are in the way of you seeing your worth and your value. Your outward life will start reflecting that. Your relationships, money, joy. This is what I hear. So this is the journey I'm on. If you're not on this journey, I recommend to get started, because what better journey could there be but improving your entire life, including social anxiety. So the first point, you're not alone. We all do bad things. We all mess up. We've all made mistakes. Maybe you think what you've done is so bad that you've kind of tucked it away and, you don't want anyone to know. You don't even want to know yourself. You just kind of tucked it away and thought, I just need to be a better person. A lot of us do that. We think we need to just be better. But you're not alone. We all mess up. We've all done bad things. Everyone's done something bad. Everyone. And it's part of the journey. So maybe you have this idea that you need to be perfect, not make mistakes. If you were ridiculed or put down or told that you're bad, you're going to believe that and take that on as truth. And you'll start to self-sabotage in some way to get you back down to what your reality is. And if it's really bad, then you can do something about it. There's no need to punish yourself and keep yourself there. But being aware of it is really kind of the first step, because we get so used to things being bad, or we get so used to things being the way they are. It's familiar. And really breaking up that pattern can really make a difference. So again, you're not alone. 2, if you're self-sabotaging, do your best to become aware of it. Become aware of your behavior that's self-sabotaging, and really start to look at that and say, why am I doing this? Don't just automatically, do that behavior because you're used to it. It's some pattern. Really start to look at it and question it and say, maybe I don't need to be doing this. It's not doing me any good. It's not adding to the value of my life. And it's not about all or nothing. Maybe it's just about gaining some control over those self-sabotaging behaviors, those self-defeating behaviors, the negative thinking, the negative self-talk that you do. So stop that self-sabotaging behavior. Stop beating yourself up. And the third thing is look at the reasons why. Dig up those skeletons and and look at those reasons why. Maybe you did something you're ashamed of, or maybe something really bad happened to you and you wanted to just move on. Something in you just said, I don't think that was supposed to happen. That was wrong, or I'm wrong. Let that come up. Let yourself go back there. And maybe that means making a list of things. And spend some time just thinking about that experience and letting the emotions come up while you're using a healing technique. It really can open up this whole world, and the more work you do, the more you will discover your self-worth. So it's a journey I'm on. It's a journey that I hope you're on. If you're not, get on board, because you are worth it. If you don't realize it yet, you are. You're already good enough as you are right now. This is just a matter of discovering that and clearing away all the reasons why you don't believe that anymore. And maybe your outward life isn't what you want it to be. Maybe there's something on the inside that you can work to heal, and your outward life will start to improve, and really start to look at those reasons why you don't feel worthy, because it's not true. It's a lie. And we can be on that journey together of clearing all the things in the way of truly believing that 100%. And so share your number, share what works for you, and you'll start to see your outward life improve the more you do this. Your social anxiety will decrease and the quality of your life will increase. I can't imagine a better journey to be on, and I'm excited to be on it. I mean, this is exciting. Just, I want to see what changes, and yeah. So be sure to subscribe for more, and we can stay in touch on this topic. And stay tuned, because Sebastian's working really hard on some really awesome stuff coming out.